Today, we're going to take a look at Hong Kong's fight for a democratic government. In August of 2014, China's top legislative committee ruled that voters will only have a choice from a list of 2 or 3 candidates selected by a nominating committee. And that nominating committee is the Pro-Beijing Committee, which is communist. And most members of Beijing find this very unfair. Their next election is scheduled for 2017, and many citizens of Beijing are hoping that by that time they will be able to vote for a candidate that they feel is worthy of the position. This decision to limit their candidates has caused an uproar amongst the Beijing community. In June 2014, a pro-democracy group by the name of Occupy Central organized an unofficial referendum in the streets of Beijing to show their disapproval. As time went by, these protests got larger and larger, and as you can see, the streets of Beijing are crowded with people. These are students boycotting class, anyone who's eligible to vote. They're demonstrating to the Hong Kong government their resentment of this decision to limit the number of candidates that they're able to vote for into the Hong Kong office. Unfortunately, with any protest, violence doesn't follow too far behind. And if you look at the top of the picture, you can see all the police force that the Chinese government has already employed to make sure that they're ready for any type of commotion. And right here in the corner are the journalists taking note of this historic event. And if you're wondering why they have umbrellas, it's because it's hot and sunny outside, and that's just in case it rains. Unfortunately, political leaders say that not much will result from these protests. Regardless, thousands of members of Beijing will still voice their opinion and disapproval of the legislature's choice to limit their candidates.